Hey Google, turn on the test light.
Alright, turning the test light on.
Hey Google, turn off the test light.
Sure, turning the test light off.
This is a review and setup guide of the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi plug HS100. So this isn't the one that can monitor energy usage, that's the other model, the HS110. Otherwise they're pretty much both the same. It will let you know how long the plug has been on for, but not how much kilowatts or watts have passed through the plug. So if you need to know the electrical throughput, then go for the HS110. This is a smart plug that's designed to be controlled via your smartphone or using your voice via Amazon Echo or Google Home. So with that, let's get to unboxing the device. As you can see from the box, you'll be able to remotely access this device. You can apply schedules and let the device know when you're away. I'll take this plastic shrink wrap off. It's never as easy as you think it would be. You get various types of leaflets and notices and a quick installation guide. So if you get stuck, you can have a look at that. And then the smart Wi-Fi plug itself. The plug itself is quite chunky. When I set this up later, you'll see how much space it takes up on an electrical outlet. But don't let that put you off, as it's fairly small in comparison to some other smart plugs available on the market. To get started, just plug the smart plug into an electrical outlet, make sure the power is turned on. I've already got Kasa downloaded, so just install that from the Play Store if you haven't. You'll have to sign up to Kasa. This will allow you to remotely manage the smart plug. As you can see, I already have some more of these in the house, one controlling the bedroom heater and one for the office heater. The solid green power icon indicates that the office heater is on. Make sure that the Wi-Fi symbol on the plug is blinking amber and green. Press on the plus icon on the top right corner, scroll and find the smart plug, then press that and then press next. It will now search for your device. Once it has found your device, give it a suitable name. This is the name you'll use when controlling it via the Echo or Home. For this video, I'm just going to call it a test light, as I'll demonstrate the plug with a light bulb. But remember, this can be used with all sorts of devices, so fans, heaters, the iron, and any electrical device really. Next, you need to select your wireless network from the list of nearby networks, and then enter the password for your Wi-Fi. If there's a prompt to update the firmware, make sure to update it by pressing update now. Once the update is complete, press done. You can now see the test light is in the list with all the other smart plugs. You can turn the device on and off by pressing the power icon. You'll be able to hear a sound from the plug when this is being done. Now just plug in the device you want to control into the smart plug. I'm plugging in this lamp to show you how it works. As you can see, pressing the power button turns the device on and off. And it's very responsive. As straight as you press the button, the action is performed without any lag. The Kasa app displays the total time in hours the device has been used for. You can set schedules. For example, set the device so that it turns on at 8:30 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. I'll also set it so that it turns off 10 minutes later at 8:40 on the same days. You can also disable the schedule without deleting it. This way you don't have to create the schedule again and then again when you need it. You also have the ability to set a timer, so you can run the device for a specific amount of time. If you're going on holiday or away from the house for a long time, you can set it so it knows when you'll be away. To control the device using the Google Home, you need to download the Home app from the Play Store. If you have a Google Home already, you've probably already done that. So open the app, go to Home Control and press on Kasa in the list below. I already have it here, so I just need for it to find any new devices. This is where you'll have to sign in using your Kasa account. You'll then be asked to assign the device to a specific room. You can create a new room or use a pre-existing one. I'll add it to the office and press done. And now if I go into rooms and press office, you can see that the test light has been added to the list. And that's it. I can now control the device using my voice. I'll just place the lamp here in the center and I'll show you it working via the Google Home. Hey Google, turn on the test light.
Alright, turning the test light on.
Hey Google, turn off the test light.
Sure, turning the test light off.
The TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi plug is a great device that does exactly what it says on the box. It lets you power on and off devices, set schedules and timers at home or remotely, and does it without any issues. Having used other smart plugs where you lose connections and where there's lag between you turning on the device and the device actually turning on, I can confidently say this smart plug has none of those issues. There are so many situations where a smart plug can be useful. I used it to schedule the heater on really cold days where the central heating isn't enough. But here's another scenario. Plug your iron into the plug. If you're one of those who remembers halfway to work in the morning that you left the iron on, no need to run back home, just turn it off remotely. Now I've been using these plugs for more than a year and love its ease of use, so without a doubt I'm happy to recommend it. This has been Raju from Tectonic. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please like and subscribe, that would really help me out. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.